The holidays are just around the corner, and that means family gatherings, festive parties, and lots of delicious food. So in this video, I'll share 4 simple and crowd-pleasing finger foods that are perfect for any holiday celebration. They are easy and really quick to make, absolutely delicious, and guaranteed to impress your guests. Let's get started. We begin with the Bao Buns. They are usually served in fusion restaurants. You can put crispy pork belly, roast duck, or in our case, rotisserie chicken from any American grocery stores. These are the ingredients for the Bao Buns. You purchase the Bao Bun in Asian grocery store any brand you like. Shred the chicken. I like to shred into bigger pieces. That's what the bao looks like. I like to cut my green onions slightly shorter than the bao so they are not sticking out. I use baby cucumbers for this recipe. You can use any kind and slice the cucumber thinly and at 45 degrees. Cut the cilantro about the length of the baos. Steam the baos for about 5 minutes. Depending upon your steamer, you may or may not need to cover the top of the baos with kitchen towel while steaming. When they are done, take them out from the steamer and spread hoisin sauce. Add the chicken, cucumber, green onion, and cilantro. If you have a squirt bottle, you can add more hoisin sauce on top. Your baos are ready. Next, we'll prepare our egg rolls. These are Bibingo frozen egg rolls. I bought them at Costco because they're budget friendly. I think I bought it on sale for $6.99. You can deep fry or air fry and they get crispy and really good on the outside. On the inside, I think they're just okay. I'm opening them so you can see what they look like. They came with the sauce, but I do not like the sauce, so I make my own. See how many egg rolls you get? Heat up oil in the pan and stick a wooden spoon. If it sizzles, then the oil is ready. Fry the egg rolls until golden brown and drain on paper towel. This is the ingredients for the sauce. The bottle on the right is really good, but if you cannot find it, any sweet chili sauce like the middle one will do. The recipe is 2 parts sweet sauce and 1 part apple cider vinegar. This is what the sauce looks like. Now your egg rolls are ready. Next, we are making easy quesadilla. These are the ingredients, plus cumin, garlic powder, and onion powder. We can use chicken fajita or grilled chicken. Since they are pre-cooked, so preparation is really easy and quick. Dice 16 ounces of the chicken into smaller pieces and cook in a pan with water. Add about 3/4 teaspoons each onion powder, garlic powder, and cumin powder. Continue cooking until the water is reduced like this. Heat up another pan that is about the size of the tortilla and spread some butter on the tortilla. Put it on the pan, butter side down. Spread the cheese, chicken, and cheese again. Put another tortilla on top and put a plate or bowl to press it. When the bottom part is golden brown, spread the butter on top of the quesadilla and flip. This is not brown enough, so I will cook it again after the other side is done. The quesadilla is ready, and we can serve with salsa, guacamole, and sour cream. I have posted my jalapeno salsa recipe that goes well with this. You can click on the top right corner of this video if you want to check it out. I pour my heart and soul into creating my videos, spending hours cooking, planning, filming, and editing to bring you the best content I can. Seeing your support through a subscription not only makes my day, but also reminds me that the time and effort I invest are truly worth it. So if you enjoy what I do, hitting that subscribe button is the best way to show your appreciation. It means the world to me and keeps me motivated to create more. To my subscribers, I really appreciate you. Thank you all for being part of this journey. Now we are making the crispy ham and cheese panko bread. Pour the panko breadcrumbs on the plate. Brush all sides of the bread with egg wash. I can't find my brush, so I'm using my hand. Fold your ham so it fits the bread and put in the middle. Then you add the cheese. If you have sliced cheese, it will be a lot easier. Cover with another slice of bread that you have egg washed on all sides as well. Push and pinch all sides of the bread. Watch how I do it. Then dip the bread in egg wash and panko breadcrumbs. Heat oil in the pan, stick a wooden spoon, and if it sizzles, that means your oil is ready. Fry your bread until golden brown, then drain on paper towel. I like to cut into triangle, and this is what it looks like. If you do not put the ham and cheese in the middle, then it will become a pocket. You can then stuff it with something different like egg salad, chicken salad, or something else. Hear how crispy it is? I'm going to take a bite out of it too. It's crispy on the outside and soft inside with melt in your mouth cheese. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. It keeps me motivated to create more. Thank you all for watching, for your support, and I see you next time.